Using Monday.com for manufacturing helps streamline production workflows, manage inventory, and coordinate teams in real time. Its flexible, visual platform makes it ideal for handling complex manufacturing processes. Create a manufacturing workspace. Start by creating a dedicated workspace for manufacturing. You can name boards like production schedule, inventory management, procurement, or quality control. Set up production boards. Use columns to track details like order numbers, product types, status, deadlines, assign teams. You can use status columns, timelines, and automation to monitor progress and trigger alerts. Track inventory. Create an inventory board with columns for item name, quantity in stock, reorder levels, supplier information. Use automations to notify when stock falls below minimum levels. Collaborate with teams. Assign tasks to team members, set priorities, and enable real-time updates. Use the built-in communication features to keep everyone aligned. Monitor quality and compliance. Log defects, schedule audits, and track resolutions using custom boards or templates. Analyze data. Use dashboards to visualize KPIs like production output, delays, or waste.